Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this Nubia. First of all, access tab menu. Now, if you wish to mute your device completely and leave only vibrations, you need to click on Vibrate shortcut. If it's blue, that means that your phone is muted and vibrations are on. If you wish to turn them off and unmute your device, click on the same shortcut. Now go into Devices Settings and tap on Sound section. Over here, you need to click on this switcher next to Vibrate Full Calls to switch on or off vibrations for all your incoming calls. You can also click on this one next to Touch Vibration to switch off or on haptic feedback on your smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!